All right, question number 2. We just have a definition. So it says, how is the limit of p of x as x approaches a calculated if p is a polynomial function? So from the textbook and the definitions, we've understood that a polynomial, you can find the limit by doing direct substitution and plugging in a. So the limit of this function would be equal to p of a, what we get when we plug in a. So just the definition. All right, question number 3. We want to know for what values of a does the limit of rx as x goes to a is equal to r of a if r is a rational function. So again, this is another definition. We have a rational function and we want to know what values does this work. And so since you have a rational function, you want to make sure that you do not divide by 0. And so this will work for every value of a that the denominator is not equal to 0. So this one says the numerator is 0. This one says the denominator is not 0. So this is what we're looking for. So all of those values which the denominator is not equal to 0. All right, and then number 4. So this one says assume that the limit of f of x as x goes to 2 is equal to 8. We're going to compute the following limit and state the law that we use. So we're given what the limit is equal to, and then we are multiplying by a constant. So we learned in the text one of the laws is that you can multiply a limit by a constant and get the same thing. So basically we want to look at limit, and then we're looking at for f of x as x goes to 2. Okay, we would rewrite this and just factor out the 4, and this would be the same thing as just multiplying 4 times the limit. Okay, so we're told that this limit is equal to 8. So we're just saying 4 times 8, which is giving us 32. Okay, so that's according to the constant multiple rule. And that is the constant multiple.